get ready with me. It's Christmas Eve. It's pretty warm today. It's gonna be tops of 30 degrees Celsius. So I think I'm just gonna do some very light makeup. Like I'm not gonna do lashes or anything. And we'll pick out a comfy outfit. Also, I need to pick something to watch. I was thinking of watching something Christmassy, but then I was like, maybe I'll just watch more Seinfeld. I've been watching Seinfeld from the very beginning for the past year, I think. I've watched most episodes of Seinfeld just on and off across many years, but I've never taken the time to truly watch every single episode in order in full. So that is what I might do, but yeah, let's get started. Wrapping. This is my craft table, so please excuse all the stains on it. I actually plan on sanding the entire surface down so these stains are not visible, you know. Anyway, let's get started. Merry Christmas! I am all dressed for the day. These are all pretty much things you guys have seen before, except my thrifted shorts. Then I'm going to put on my white sneakers. You will see the full fit later on. And for my jewelry, I have a few new pieces by Hana Lee that they sent me, and I have a really good discount code for you guys. I have a 20% off discount code. It will be linked below. I'm wearing the Hana Lee heart necklace. This one is in gold with the red gem in the shape of a heart with gold. It is so me. If there's anything heart shaped, I always pick it. I also really love the toggle clasp because you don't have to worry about your necklace spinning around and showing the clasp at the back. It's right here at the front and it's part of the design. I'm not wearing it today, but I also have this necklace in silver because I wear silver jewelry as well. I honestly can't decide if I like the green or the red better. Please let me know in the comments which one you guys like better. I have a ton of gold earrings by Hana Lee. I'm just wearing some basic Huggies today, but I don't have any silver ones from them. So I got a pair of these silver huggies. I love a huggy like this because it has a nice thickness, so it's noticeable. It looks very chic, just super classy, but it's also really comfortable. It doesn't get caught on anything, and it will go with all of my silver jewelry. And my rings, you guys know I love my multiple gold rings. All of these are Hana Lee. Some of these are ones that I already had, but my new ones. First we have the Zeta ring. It's a gold quilted ring. Super easy to mix and match with all my other rings. It's stackable. And this is the ring that I was really excited about. This is the Evan ring. When I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, that is so true Y2K. It's just, you guys just get the vibe. You know it. They're all super high quality, gold and silver plated, and they're also carbon neutral, including their packaging, which I also get very excited about receiving. Beautiful little magnetic pouches, and some of them even have interior pockets. Works so well for gifting as well. So if you plan to pick up anything from Hana Lee, be sure to use the 20% off discount code and the link at the top of the description. I'll put the names of all these pieces that I'm wearing in the description box below in case you want to get the same ones. We can be matching. And of course, thank you to Hana Lee for sponsoring. I love all my new pieces. And now I'm all ready and set to go out for Christmas breakfast. We're keeping it really casual this year. I don't have any family traveling into Sydney for like a bigger Christmas. It's pretty small. It's just my immediate family who live here in Sydney. So we're just doing a casual, easy breakfast. We're going to Starbucks actually. I love some festive Starbucks because we don't do Christmas lunch. Most Australians do Christmas lunch, but we do Christmas dinner. So we like to go out for breakfast. Previous years, we've gone to hotels or cafes and stuff, but this year we're like, let's just keep it low key. We'll grab some Starbucks and we can just sit outside. The weather's really nice. Then we're gonna come back and do presents. Okay, time to get going. While the bread rolls are doing their final rise, final proof, I thought I would do a little haul of the things that my family kindly gave me for Christmas. I'm here in my like craft DIY sort of multi-purpose spare room here because it has the best lighting at this time of day. And I brought some of my decorations because I don't decorate this room, but I brought some in here. There you go. First, I have this frangipani puka shell necklace. My sister got this for me. It's by the brand Sun Drenched Australia. They have a store on the Gold Coast. My sister lives in the Gold Coast, but you can also order online. I will also link these things below, by the way, if you guys want to pick up any of this. I will try to find links for everything. But yeah, super cute. I have one of these in the early 2000s, definitely very true, kind of like 2002, 2003 vibes. Really cute, very tropical, summery, really nice length. Can't wait to wear this. I got a new pair of earplugs. These are by the brand Loop. I'm sure you guys have heard of these before. I got so many Instagram ads for these. I already have earplugs by the brand Earpiece. They're musician earplugs, so they're designed to just lower sound without muffling it or ruining the sound quality. These ones, these are the Engage earplugs. They're for when you're out and about, as it says on the box. If you're out in a busy social setting, it just lowers the background noise but still allows you to hear voices clearly. I got these in just the crystal, Arctic crystal, the least noticeable as possible. We have the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner in the shade White. Holly got this for me as well. Holly, my sister, she did a really cool eye makeup look for me when I was visiting her in the Gold Coast. I'll insert some clips here, and she had these really cool white dots around my eyes that were just a little bit fun and different. So I said, can you get me some white eyeliner so I can recreate that myself? And she did. And this one's supposed to be like super waterproof and also really hard to remove. I was reading some reviews and I was like, that sounds great, because I tend to rub my eyes and my eyes water and stuff, so I don't mind if I have to like get some coconut oil to remove it or something. We have a couple of things from Huda Beauty. I think these are also both, yeah, also both from Holly. we have the lip liner in the shade Honey Beige, also to recreate a makeup look that she did on me with the lips. I really want a more brownish nude lip liner. And also I was so excited about this because this was on my wish list. I even mentioned it in a vlog. I even said it was on my wish list in a vlog and I forgot. So when I opened it on Christmas, I was so excited. It is the Kylie by Huda Beauty fragrance. This is Love Fest Burning Cherry number 48 Eau de Parfum. I love things that are that marzipan cherry sort of family of scents and flavors. You guys know how much I love almond and I love like maraschino cherries. Thank you so much, Holly. I was so excited. This will be my 2023 fragrance. I have 2 Tarte Shape Tape concealers in my shade. This was on my list and I thought this was so funny. I ended up opening this twice, like they're wrapped separately and I was really confused. And I like asked my mom about this and she's like, oh, I think we accidentally bought it for you twice, like on separate occasions. Because I gave them my, I do my Christmas list as a Google Doc and I just send everyone the link. And the Google Doc has links to all the things I want and the prices and the shipping and everything, because if I'm going to give people a Christmas list, I'm going to do the work for them. You know, if I'm going to ask things I want, I'm not going to make them do the work of like figuring that stuff out. Still, I think she's like, oh, we must have just clicked the link twice or just, but I was like, you know what? I go through this pretty fast and I always need backups. This is all I wear. I don't wear foundation. I only wear concealer. I've also tried the Kosas concealer and I still prefer this more. It's not as high coverage as Tarte, and because I don't wear foundation, I do prefer the coverage of Shape Tape, especially under my eyes, even though I do wear color corrector as well. We have 2 items by Fenty Beauty. I know my brother got me either both of these or one of these. I can't remember. Sorry to my brother, but I love them both. We have the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade Cool Berry. I really love their blush in the shade Rosé Latte. I love that shade. If you guys want a blush that I swear looks good on all skin tones and is really unique and so pretty, highly recommend that one. Cool toned pinky blushes look really good on my skin as well. I love a good lip product that is super easy to apply, kind of sheer. You can just put it on without a mirror, you know. So I asked for the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in the shade Goji Gang. And I swatched these all on in the store and this was one of my favorite, I almost said favorite flavors, favorite colors, favorite shades. I've really been into sort of the berry tones on my lips lately. I used to be always just like nudes, like pinky nude, warm nudes, and now I'm into like these shades. So you guys know how much I love the Ultraviolet brand. It is an Australian SPF sunscreen brand. They also do SPF lip balms. These are SPF 50. It is the Sheen Screen Hydrating Lip Balm SPF 50 in the shade Rose. So a beautiful tinted lip balm. Another great thing I can put on in the morning or just throw in my bag. And I wish that all lip products were SPF 50. That would just be so good because lip products come off the fastest, especially any kind of sunscreen product on your lips, and this would just be so nice to reapply. Oh my god, my foot is going to sleep. No, wake up. If you guys are looking for a new SPF, Ultraviolet is one of the best on the market. It's an Australian brand. Australian sunscreens, we all know they're the best because of the rigorous testing that they have to go through here because the sun is so strong. You know how it is, but they don't ship to all countries yet. Keep an eye out for it. Ultraviolet, such a good brand. All my neck and my facial sunscreens that I use, I buy this brand. I love it. I have one clothing item. It's this Gymshark t-shirt that I asked for. I don't remember the exact name and style of this t-shirt, but of course I will link it below. It's a really nice, lightweight, breathable, fitted t-shirt just with a crew neck in this beautiful kind of dark maroon cocoa shade. Really cute. Haven't tried it on yet, so I do need to double check the fit. One thing about all my gym clothes is that I always get them in dark colors for 2 reasons. One is that they don't show sweat stains. All of the gym clothes I have are sweat wicking, so they don't really show sweat stains so much. But yes, that, and also I can wash them all together, so at the end of the week I can just wash all of my workout clothes in one go and they're all nice and fresh and clean for the following week. I don't have to do separate washes for them. So I have another fragrance. This is something that you guys know that I wear. It's something that my mom actually got for me months ago and put away because she knows I love it, and it's discontinued. It's the Mia fragrance from the Ted Baker Sweet Treat collection. Unfortunately, you guys probably won't be able to find this because they don't make it anymore. but you might be able to find some older bottles online, but it is a really nice fragrance and it comes in a beautiful bottle. This is the 100ml size. And the last gift from my parents, they said this was just a joke gift. She's like, oh, I got this for you just for fun. This mug, if you guys can see. Ta-da! Comment below if you know the reference before I say what it is, because then I'll know you're a true fan. But this is a Curb Your Enthusiasm mug. This quote is from a particular episode. I don't know which season, it's one of the older seasons, but probably in my top 3 favorite TV shows of all time out of all the categories. I can rewatch it forever. It's so funny. I just love it. I love Larry David, so. And I also have various gift cards. I think I have some other ones that are not here. And yes, I love everything so much. Let me know what your favorite gift was that you gave to someone else this year, if you celebrate or if you did gift giving, or even if it wasn't a physical gift, if it was, you know, something like non-tangible, let me know. Anyway, I'm going to go check on my rolls now. I've been busy baking. I finished my rolls. Now I'm picking out what I will wear to Christmas dinner. I wore this last year. Really nice little green cardigan. This would be very Christmassy, but it's too warm. Who remembers this relic? This dress I got on Etsy years ago. It's by the brand Mod Dolly. Perfect for Christmas. Really comfortable. It has 3/4 sleeves, so it's really good for both warm and cooler weather. I feel like you can warm it up or cool it down as needed. I unintentionally look like Christmas Wednesday Addams. My dress is green, not black though, but yeah, the collar and then the black bows. Oh, if I had red bows or green ribbon. If I had green ribbon, that would be really good, but I don't. I do have red ribbon though. I don't know, maybe red would be too much. I feel like green, dark green ribbon would be good, but necklace goes perfectly with this dress. The little pop of red, but also the length of it and just where it sits in the collar. This is the problem with being tall. You can never fit in the frame. Hang on. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending Christmas with me. Don't forget to check out my Hana Lee discount code. It will be linked below. And I hope you had a wonderful holiday and a lovely break. Otherwise, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.